Creating cool and functional wooden craft ideas for modern house decor presents an exciting opportunity for artisans to blend creativity, craftsmanship, and entrepreneurial spirit, all while producing beautiful pieces that enhance contemporary living spaces. The appeal of wooden crafts lies in their versatility and timelessness, as wood inherently brings warmth and character to any environment. When embarking on this creative journey, one of the most pleasing aspects is the ability to transform raw materials into stunning, functional items that resonate with today's design sensibilities. The process begins with selecting the right type of wood, which can range from sleek hardwoods like maple or walnut to reclaimed timber that carries a unique history. Each type of wood offers distinct aesthetic qualities, allowing artisans to choose materials that align with their design vision. The tactile experience of working with wood, from cutting and shaping to sanding and finishing, fosters a deep connection with the material, enriching the crafting process and enhancing the satisfaction derived from creating something truly special. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you different kind of cool and functional wooden craft ideas for big profit and for modern house decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. As artisans explore their creativity, they can develop a variety of wooden crafts that cater to modern aesthetics and functional needs. For instance, crafting minimalist shelving units can provide practical storage solutions while showcasing decorative items, plants, or books in a stylish manner. The opportunity to experiment with different designs, such as floating shelves, geometric shapes, or multifunctional pieces, allows artisans to express their creativity while meeting consumer demands for innovative home decor. The act of designing and constructing these pieces is immensely gratifying, as each creation can reflect the artisan's personal style and bring a sense of individuality to the spaces they adorn. Additionally, incorporating unique features such as hidden compartments or integrated lighting can further enhance the functionality of these wooden crafts, appealing to modern homeowners who seek both beauty and practicality in their decor. Another pleasing aspect of creating wooden crafts for modern house decor is the ability to personalize items, making them truly one of a kind. Customization options, such as engraving names, dates, or meaningful quotes, can add sentimental value to pieces, making them perfect for gifts or special occasions. This level of personalization resonates with consumers who appreciate the thoughtfulness behind handcrafted items, elevating them beyond mere decor to cherished keepsakes. The process of connecting with customers, understanding their needs, and creating tailored solutions fosters a sense of fulfillment for artisans as they contribute to meaningful moments in people's lives through their work. For those looking to turn their crafting passions into a profitable venture, the market for unique wooden home decor is flourishing, driven by a growing consumer preference for quality and originality over mass-produced items. Engaging with local craft fairs, farmers markets, and online platforms can provide valuable exposure and create connections with potential customers who appreciate the craftsmanship behind each piece. The pleasing aspect of selling these crafts lies in the recognition and appreciation artisans receive for their work, as each item represents their creativity, effort, and dedication. High-quality photographs that showcase the intricate details and finishes of each piece can significantly enhance marketing efforts, drawing in potential buyers who value the artistry involved in handmade products. Moreover, social media platforms provide a powerful avenue for artisans to share their creations, engage with their audience, and build a loyal customer base. Creating wooden crafts also offers artisans the chance to experiment with different techniques and styles, allowing for continuous growth and innovation in their work. Techniques such as wood burning, staining, or painting can add unique elements to projects, while exploring various forms, from functional furniture to decorative art pieces, can keep the creative process fresh and exciting. The opportunity to attend workshops or collaborate with other artisans can further inspire new ideas and techniques, fostering a sense of community within the crafting world. This collaborative spirit can lead to the development of innovative designs that push the boundaries of traditional woodworking, ultimately appealing to a wider audience. The modern emphasis on sustainability and eco-friendliness also plays a significant role in the appeal of wooden crafts. By utilizing reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials, artisans can create beautiful, functional pieces that resonate with environmentally conscious consumers. This commitment to sustainability not only enhances the appeal of handcrafted items, but also fosters a deeper connection between the maker and the end user, as both share a passion for responsible consumption. Artisans can highlight their eco-friendly practices in their marketing efforts, appealing to consumers who value products that align with their beliefs and contribute positively to the environment. In addition to selling finished products, artisans can explore various business models that allow for additional income streams. Offering DIY kits that enable customers to assemble their own wooden crafts can attract a different segment of the market, particularly those who enjoy hands-on projects. These kits can include all necessary materials, along with detailed instructions and design templates, making it easy for customers to create their own personalized pieces. This approach encourages creativity and engagement while also showcasing the artisan's expertise and craftsmanship. Additionally, hosting workshops that teach others how to create wooden home decor items can generate additional income while fostering a sense of community and sharing knowledge. The journey of creating cool and functional wooden crafts for modern house decor is not merely about producing items for sale. It is a celebration of creativity, craftsmanship, and the joy of bringing beauty and functionality into homes. Each piece crafted from wood becomes a testament to the artisan's skill and vision, reflecting the harmonious blend of artistry and practicality. As artisans explore various styles, techniques, and sustainable practices, they contribute to a growing appreciation for handmade products, enriching the lives of consumers who seek individuality and quality in their home decor. The ability to create items that not only serve a purpose, but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of a space is immensely rewarding, making the journey of crafting wooden home decor a fulfilling and inspiring experience. Ultimately, the process of transforming raw materials into beautiful, functional pieces is a testament to the enduring appeal of woodworking and the limitless possibilities it offers for artisans and consumers alike. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. As artisans continue their journey in creating cool and functional wooden crafts for modern house decor, they also find joy in the storytelling aspect of their work. Each piece crafted from wood tells a story, whether it's about the origins of the wood itself, the inspiration behind the design, or the experiences shared during the crafting process. This narrative dimension adds depth to the creations, inviting consumers to connect with the items on a personal level. When someone purchases a handcrafted wooden piece, they're not just acquiring a product, they're embracing a story, a tradition of craftsmanship, and a commitment to sustainability. This emotional connection can foster brand loyalty, encouraging customers to return for future purchases and to share their experiences with friends and family. Furthermore, the tactile nature of wooden crafts enhances their appeal. In a world increasingly dominated by digital interactions, the sensory experience of touching and interacting with handcrafted wooden items can be refreshing and grounding. The warmth of wood, the smoothness of a well-sanded surface, and the distinct grain patterns invite consumers to engage with the products in ways that mass-produced items cannot replicate. This sensory engagement not only enriches the consumer experience, but also reinforces the value of handmade craftsmanship. Artisans can emphasize this aspect in their marketing, showcasing the textures and details that make their wooden crafts truly special. As trends in home decor continue to evolve, artisans have the opportunity to adapt and innovate, ensuring that their creations resonate with contemporary consumers. For instance, the rise of biophilic design, which emphasizes the connection between nature and interior spaces, encourages artisans to create wooden crafts that integrate natural elements. Planters, wall-mounted racks for plants, and decorative pieces that showcase natural forms can appeal to consumers looking to bring a touch of nature indoors. By aligning their designs with current trends, artisans can attract a broader audience while remaining true to their artistic vision. Additionally, the integration of technology into home decor presents exciting opportunities for artisans. The incorporation of smart technology, such as wireless charging stations hidden within wooden furniture or clocks with integrated LED displays, can appeal to tech-savvy consumers looking for modern solutions. This fusion of traditional craftsmanship with contemporary technology not only enhances the functionality of wooden pieces, but also positions artisans as forward-thinking creators who understand the needs of today's consumers. By embracing innovation while maintaining the integrity of their craftsmanship, artisans can carve out a niche in the competitive market for home decor. In reflecting on the overall experience of creating wooden crafts for modern house decor, it's essential to recognize the personal growth that accompanies this journey. Each project presents challenges that require problem-solving and creativity, pushing artisans to refine their skills and expand their knowledge. Whether it's learning new woodworking techniques, experimenting with finishes, or exploring unique design concepts, the process fosters continuous learning and development. This growth is inherently satisfying, as artisans witness their abilities evolve and their artistic visions come to life in tangible forms. Moreover, the financial aspect of creating wooden crafts can be particularly rewarding. As artisans establish their brands and cultivate a loyal customer base, they have the potential to turn their passion into a sustainable source of income. The satisfaction of earning from something crafted with love and dedication adds a layer of fulfillment to the entire process. With the right marketing strategies and a commitment to quality, artisans can enjoy the fruits of their labor, allowing them to invest back into their craft, explore new materials, or expand their product lines. Finally, the sense of community that develops among artisans and their customers cannot be overstated. Engaging with fellow creators, sharing techniques, and celebrating each other's successes fosters a supportive environment that encourages collaboration and inspiration. This community not only enhances the crafting experience, but also serves as a reminder that the journey of creating wooden crafts is about more than just individual success. It's about contributing to a larger movement that values creativity, sustainability, and the beauty of handmade products. In the process of creating cool and functional wooden crafts for modern house decor is an enriching and fulfilling journey that intertwines artistry, functionality, and sustainability. From the initial selection of materials to the final touches that make each piece unique, artisans have the opportunity to express their creativity, connect with consumers, and contribute positively to the world of home decor. The emotional connections formed through storytelling, the sensory experiences evoked by the tactile nature of wood, and the potential for financial success all combine to create a rewarding path for artisans. As they continue to innovate and adapt to modern trends, they not only enhance their own lives, but also enrich the homes and lives of those who choose to embrace the beauty and functionality of their handcrafted wooden creations. This journey is a celebration of creativity, resourcefulness, and the enduring appeal of craftsmanship in a rapidly changing world. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked cool and functional wooden craft ideas for big profit and for modern house decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.